So today I'm going to make these hard dry beans soft in my pressure canner cooker. It takes about 30 minutes to make them where they're like jar soft. So in order to get this going, we need to measure out what we need and get them soaking. I do like to pre-soak them and wash them. I'm using my Russian bowl set, the big blue one. I've got the colander that goes inside there. That these go on sale every so often, and when they do, you need to get one. All right, you'll see why. They work great. So let's get a couple of these measured. I think I'm gonna do about 3 cups. And we'll go through, clean them. I'm gonna put them in the colander. And pick through, clean up the bad ones, rocks, anything like that. And then I'll come back. The beans all rinsed. It's been 2 hours. And I got my Tupperware pressure cooker here. I'm gonna put the ring in there. This is awesome. I need that. So now I'm gonna take the beans and stick them in here. And there's a fill line right in here. And that fill line is how much. Now you got to remember, these beans are going to swell. And they're going to absorb some water. So I'm going to add some water to the fill line. Do that now. I want these good and filled it right up. Now those beans are going to absorb that up. Put the lid on. It goes arrow to arrow. So there's an arrow here and an arrow there, right there. And you just slide that on like that. And then you have this little clip thing. And turn it around where this clips in here and clips down in there. Okay. Make sure everything's nice. Put it in the microwave for, I'm gonna go 30 minutes. And we'll see how it looks after that. Okay. Been out mowing grass, so it's 15 minutes. Set for 15 minutes. Looks like I need to stir them around. That's what it looks like. They look good. Nice and hot. And what's nice about doing the microwave pressure cooker is that I got to go mow the grass front yard because I didn't have to watch it. Let's see. Oh, yep, that one's soft. Yeah. And it might not be. Nope. Shoot. They're really hot. So I'm going to stir this around, and I got a couple that's hard. So I'm going to let it cool for a minute, and then I'm going to put it back in the microwave for another, I'm thinking 10 minutes, because they're all pretty soft, but just the top. See? Most of them are mushy soft, so I'm thinking for about another 10 minutes. On high, of course. And they should be perfect. Then I'll add it to my soup. Around. I always take that off. Open it away from you because of the steam. Oh yeah. Lighter, oh, them are beautiful. But the beans are beautiful. While they were cooking, I got to go outside and mow the front yard, where if I was to cook these in a regular pressure cooker, I would have had to stay in the house by the stove with them at all times. And yeah, so if you don't have a Tupperware microwave pressure cooker, I suggest you get one. They're wonderful to have and awesome to keep on hand. Okay, so I did a little bit of the live. Here's my beans. They're all nice and done. Just going to fill my pot right up. Now there's no seasoning in these at all. Fill that right up. It did get a little overcooked because I should have took out just the tops that weren't, that got hard, and recooked that. Now this will cook down, and it's gonna be wonderful. Just saying. A little bite for you. I want those beans. They are hot. Oh, it tastes really good. My celery's still a little crunchy, but that's okay. So I'm gonna let this simmer a little bit longer and cook down, and it's gonna be wonderful. It's already tastes good. So that's how I made my bean soup on a fly. Turned out nice, and it'll thicken up nice for me. All right, everyone, thank you for watching and stopping by. I always appreciate that you guys do that for me. Big hugs from my pantry to yours, and I hope you have a fun, safe holiday weekend. Bye.